Hello guys! Welcome back once again to my video. And for today's video guys, I'm going to go to St. Julian's for the feast and to show you some events, to show you what's kaganapan. Please tune in and I will show you guys what's happening for today's video. And I'm so excited. I'm with Daniel over there walking. So let's go guys. So going to our destination, to our final destination, which is over there. And you can see the fireworks over there and the sounds. So there we will go guys. And going there, look. This is still summer in Malta, so you can see a lot of people doing swimming in the ocean at the beach guys. So walk with us. Let's go. Walk with us guys. Let's go. Ang ganda dito guys. Grabe. This is Daniel's favorite place, right?
Right. This is my favorite place, yeah.
So from here we have to walk like 10 minutes. So piyesta dito ngayon guys, kaya makikipiesta kami. So there's a party over there. So let's go. It's beautiful here in the daytime, but at night you can, yeah, but at night you can't appreciate the place. But today, look, stunning, right?
Yes, right.
So there we will go, right? With the music. Here. So there guys.
Oh, bro. Keep it there. Nice view. Banana. stay with him. I go. عشان ندلل معانا
And that's my video for today, guys. So thank you very much for having time with me watching my vlog. Thank you so much, and please do subscribe my YouTube channel, Barberong Becky. And see you next time for my next vlog. Bye and thank you.